Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to resize video in CapCut PC. In order to do this, you first need to launch your CapCut application in your PC, and then you just have to select your project. Afterwards, you just have to drag your project and you just have to add it into the timeline. Then you need to select your project, and once you do this, you will be able to see various types of options in the top right hand section. So as you can see, among the given options, you will be able to see this scale option. So if you use this scale option, you will be able to zoom in and out your video. So basically, with the help of this scale function, you will be able to resize your video. Now the second method of resizing is whenever you select your video, you will be able to see this type of error around the corner of that video. So you can use this and you will be able to easily zoom in and out this video, and you can even set it as fit. So this way you will be able to resize your CapCut video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.